All right, third video for this build out here, fulfillment center, and it's been a couple weeks and look at how quickly they put all the walls up. Isn't that freaking crazy? Just to give you a perspective, there's that storage container. This is where I was filming from before. There's the building with the actor dude over there. There he is, wearing his hard hat. So that gives you an idea. I'll just kind of show you. They've got all this flattened out here. They got a lot more sewage put in over there. You can see a lot of sewer, the big sewer piping over there going to be put in. And man, did they put these walls up fast. I came by here a week ago but didn't have time to stop, and they had already put them up. So I figured, well, it's too late anyways. I'll just come back when I can. And I thought you guys might get a kick out of this. Look at the size of this guy. These things are awesome. So this is the roadway up there. And so they made this kind of not much to it because I'm sure they don't want the sound of the road. But look at all the bay doors for all the trucks going all the way down. It's the same way on the other side. I'm going to take you over there in a minute to show you that. But you can see they still haven't got a lot of the roof up. If you look inside the bay doors, you can see the sun coming in over there. So they got the walls up and they had all those trusses up in the last video. And so they still need to put the roof on. Gigantic flat roof, I'm sure. But they're still working on it. So they bring these slabs in, and I don't know if it's one piece stacked up or... like each one of these, you can see the seams. Each one is like probably the same length of a semi truck. And they might just stack 3 of them on a flatbed or something like that. Because you can see it's like 3 in a row and then 3 in a row. It jumps up a little bit, 3 in a row, 3 in a row. Actually, it goes farther down, then drops again. But zoom in a little so you can see the seams. So I'm not sure how they do that. I'd love to see those being delivered. I just, you know, didn't happen to be here at the right time. Let's jump to the other side and take a look. On the other side, and once again, you got all the semi-truck bay doors that line up all the way down. A lot of activity at this place. I'll walk around, but I wanted to just show you this thing. What the heck is that? I've never seen anything like that. It must be to just like pack the ground down. But I can't even see how someone would operate this. It looks like it's got a motor built in. Be that, and that might be the generator. But it looks like it might be a tow behind unit because there's nowhere for someone to stand and operate it. But pretty interesting, huh? You can see right there that they have a little thing to scrape the clay off once they get rolling on it. That's pretty funny. Check this out. Got all that machinery still over there. See, they started to cement the parking lot over here by the looks of it. It might be just I don't think that's cement yet. I think that's just the gravel color of the gravel from the rains and stuff like that. Might be. They did a good job flattening it out, getting ready to have all the cement put in for the parking over here. Probably semi-truck parking on this side. All the warehousing part, or the office parking will be up there, and the other building's gonna be way back there. That's phase 2. If you look on our other video, you'll see the main shot of that sign that shows that stuff. But this area here might be employee parking, workers, and then the semi trucks just come in and go. But you like a little bit more of a close up here. Look at the size of that panel. I don't know if that was poured on site and then erected or what, but pretty crazy. Got a full moon up here too. Coming on a full moon. Not quite. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that up there. Where is that guy? There it is. Right there. I'm not sure if that's it up there. Where is it? I can't see it. Once again, we're down here by the cement area, so obviously they've been trucking in a lot more of the gravel and sand As you can see, there's two different styles of gravel there. There's a real fine one on this side, and more of a heavy gravel over there. And back there behind the cement plant, there's a whole bunch of cement trucks. So they might be doing these forms right here on site to build these walls. I've seen them trucked in before. Well, I haven't seen the trucks bring them in, but I know that they weren't making them on the site that I was watching this one time. Kind of watching them build it. I didn't do a video on that though. So pretty cool. I'll probably do one more as they pour the concrete parking lots and do the finishing work and kind of show you guys the final stage before it turns into some god-awful fulfillment center. All right, guys, I hope you dig our videos. If you do, please hit that subscribe, that like, and feel free to share. We'll see you on the next one.